Hello everyone, Lisa Reed. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. We got Bird and the Bird workout. 4 exercises, 10 reps. We're gonna start out with jumping jacks. Here we go. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Frog jumps, a little bit wider in shoulder width, hips back, and drive it up. Nice and laying your toes, heels. That's 3, 4, 5. Use those legs, burn that bird. Let's go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Into pike push-ups. Hands in a triangle. Put your head right between. Butt up into the ceiling. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Push it out. 5, 4, 3. Use those arms. Last one. And V-ups. On your back. Hands above your head. Keep that back down. Squeeze the legs. Nice and tight. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Let's go. You got 3 more rounds of that. Jumping jacks, frog jumps, pike push-ups, and V-ups. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Burn that bird off, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.